Here are my tips to help keep your plants and your garden healthy in hot weather. So firstly, don't go out too much in the midday sun. It's too hot. So if you've got a garden, either do it early in the morning or later in the evening when it's that little bit cooler. And don't do jobs like mowing the lawn. If you start cutting the lawn, that really stresses it in hot, dry weather. It's better to leave a covering of grass. When it does cool down or we maybe get rain, then you can top it and it will be fine to do that. The other thing is weeding. Don't go pulling weeds out of the garden, because if you pull the weeds out, you disturb the soil and that helps it dry out even faster. So again, leave the weeds until the weather breaks. When it comes to watering, I prefer to water late evening when it's cooling down, but if you don't do it then, do it early in the morning, but never in the middle of the day, because most of that water will just simply evaporate. And the secret is, if you're watering plants in the garden, whether they're large or small, we don't water over the plant, we water the roots. We want the soil to be moist around the roots. It's always better to give it a thorough watering every 2 or 3 days than a light sprinkling of water every day. So get it down to the roots if you can. If you've got plants in containers, then if they're struggling in the heat, especially if they're on a south facing patio where the heat is blasting on them, consider trying to move them somewhere where they've just got a little bit of a shade, you know, against the north facing wall or under the eaves of the house, so they've got a little bit of protection from that midday sun. And because pots can dry out very quickly, you may need to water twice a day. So what I often do is stand anything that dries out quickly on a saucer, water it, but any spare water goes into the saucer, and then through the day that will be sucked back up into the plants by the roots. Any plants that are a little bit tender, that are young, that might get a bit of leaf scorch or sunburn on them, then just put some fleece over them for a day or two. It just acts like a sun barrier, gives them that little bit of shade, and then you can take it off, of course, at night when the sun goes down. And finally, in the greenhouse, where it can get very hot, don't forget to water regularly. I tend to water in the morning and then a second time at this time in the evening, again when the sun has gone down. And if during the day you're around and it gets very hot, I do a thing called damping down. So I get a watering can full of water and I simply water the paths. And as that water hits the path, it will start to evaporate. And as it evaporates, it has a mildly cooling effect and it creates more humid conditions in there, so it makes the plants much healthier. So all of those things will help your plants cope with the heat and the stress. And of course for you, if you're outside, don't forget, in the sun, wear your hat to keep the sun off you, and do not forget your factor 50. Really important that you don't burn in the sun.